Alright, so here we are. Holly Oaks at Winterfest. Vendors, people, everything. Out here all of probably, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. And side by side needs a jump, so Florida's over here jumping them.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
This is what happens when you build to thin. So he's winching up. Made it up here as I got here, but I don't think the camera caught it. Well, okay then. Go a little bit passenger. Turn passenger some. Keep going. You're still up planted. All four are still planted. I'll let you know. Yeah, you're good. I'd stop right there, but like you're not lifting. All four tires are on the, well, that one went up to the ramp. But the other one is still.
If there was no ramp, I'd be on the ground.
You have, I can put my whole hand in there.
Yeah, this thing's pretty good then.
Yeah, that's got a lot of clearance right there. Hold on. Let me go to the other side.
I cleared the snow off that for you, by the way.
No, Dave's right here. Who's driving?
Look. Look. Airlock on that. Look, back it up. Back it up.
Oh yeah, he's gonna get.
He's on his frame, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got full skids, full belly skids on that thing too. Hey.
Yeah, you ain't gonna make it up it.
Hey, ask Kensington, did you have a video? Yes, your only picture.
Let's see. This looks like a fun path. Why not?
What's the obstacle they take down or
Down and then like right back up a little bit.
Low is your friend, which is a little icy on the truck. Do we have
biggest problem is the side by sides really just don't care. Where are you going?